All right, guys, let's jump in here for BITO and YBIT. All right, so what we have is we closed out early because we were far out of the money. All of these contracts. And we did that for 2 cents and 1 cent. They were all $21 and 21.5. And we closed at 1940. So nice job, fund manager, pulling those off. And then they wrote for 29 cents. It's a little tight, 20.4. Again, they're not expecting, that's a 5.67 percent move. I get it. If they would have gone to 21, it probably would have been like 15, 18, 19 cents. So I get it. It's just a bit tight, but hey, we'll see. Um, so no shares were bought, but we got a nice sum of 914,000 to start the new month, right? Which is excellent. Let's drag this down. Okay. So what's that look like? Again, no synthetics. We didn't get any shares bought. We just closed out all the contracts and put them out with 6 trading days to go. So let's look at the weekly. This is what this looks like now, except they're all at 20.5. And I got to change the it's 31.530 and a really all in one contract. All at 20.5, so no sense in doing much here. And we'll just keep this color since it's all around 816. 10.81% out of the money. Although, hang on, that's not, I knew that number was 5%. Let's see what gets us there. All right. Oh, I want to go to August anyhow. I'm using a new method here. Okay. Let's get this one updated to August also. $13.97. All right, guys. A little tight with 6 trading days to go in considering BTC, but a nice win on capturing all of that. So let's go take a look. We looked at the weeklies. There they are. Let's go look at holdings. That always tells us everything. So share count's the same. Let me update this. That's 59,4605. 38. Okay, what's that give us? That gives us pretty close. We didn't close at that. Let's get the August number. We closed at 1397, and they're saying 1407 is fair value. Okay, I'll accept that. 10 cents. That means we're on sale, peoples. All right. So we're already been in this 28 for a while. So let's take a look at where we stand on that. So this expires. So we're going to have to take this loss. We could lessen the loss. Okay. But I'd hate to see us scream up to 20 and a half on this Friday and have a whole week to go. I mean, it's possible we could go up to 21, 22, and then pull back by the Friday. I mean, these things trade like that, but one can only hope. Um, we are actually, I did update this, we are 8.62 in the money. So it continued to move down after they wrote that call. It moved in our favor when they wrote it. So no shares, that's previous. 1397 to 1407. These have all been updated. So again, you see that 32, 29, 27, we're going in the right direction, peoples. If we can continue that slowly, we don't want to run past that 31,530 weekly contracts, right? But at the same time, I'd like to see us get closer to 28. You know, we're hanging around 19. The only way you get that 27 million out of the way is move up, but that could start after 816. Now, it'll be interesting if they roll it. My guess is they may just go ahead and take the pain tomorrow because they've already rolled their weekly. They don't have to do anything. They could wait till Monday and move up a little bit higher, or even Tuesday of next week, but they won't leave it all the way till 816. And I'm talking about the synthetic here, peoples. And they'll go out to 920 very likely. My guess is they'll choose a 24 or 25. They could do 26, but I think it's better if they go 24 or 25. Okay, I probably would even go lower and take more pain, but let's take a look. So let's go look at payouts and I'll explain. So again, nice start, right? We come over here and we write the calls, but again, we could go right by those. The other thing I wanted to educate you guys on, so again, I need to fix some of this stuff and I got to figure where I have all my dates. F11. Where is F11? Okay, I'll work on it. I forget where I put these things. I know this is today's date. I know that it's 9/5 that the next declaration is. Oh, yeah. And then I know that this has 4 days that it's beyond because we don't get paid until 9/9. So we declare earlier and pay later, right? We were 2 days before, and this coming one, we pay on September 9. Just some housekeeping things. Peoples, okay. So look here, you got a 27 million loss. Well, at 4 million shares, if it was a 28 loss, that's a $7 loss. But I've been tracking now this reserve. We've got about $10 that I've seen built up. So we would go wipe out $7 right away. But again, I don't think they're going to pay that kind of money. I think they're going to pay the IV, in all honesty, because the IV was higher. It's dropped down some, and that's what they seem to be wanting to do. So I hope we can get back up and just earn it, right? Like to see us earn a dollar. If we earn a dollar, they'll pay us. But if all of a sudden we take that loss and we've got a 25 million over here, then we're going to have a -6. So I don't know. The higher they go by going to a 27 or something, the more we collect. But we just keep playing that game. Ultimately, Bitcoin and Bitto need to move up a lot. All right, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. So that's it for YBIT. Again, this is Bruce with Targeted Wealth Creation. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. For fun and entertainment. Have a great day ahead and into your weekend. Bye, peoples.